In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set due dates in Monday.com. Whether you're managing a complex project or simply organizing your week, being able to adjust and set due dates is critical for staying on top of your tasks. Monday.com offers a straightforward way to manage this. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Monday.com workspace. Once you're there, find and open the board where you want to set or adjust a due date. For today's example, we're going to be using a sample board. So whether you're working on a team project or a personal to-do list, the process is quite similar. With your board open, take a look at the columns laid out for each task. Typically, you'll see a column dedicated to due dates. Let's say you want to adjust a task's due date. Look for the current date listed under the due date column for the task you're targeting. For instance, you might see a due date set for October 16th. To change it, simply click on the date and you'll see a calendar pop up. This is your tool for selecting a new due date. Let's say you want to push that deadline forward. Go ahead and click on a new date, in this case October 17th, and that's it. The due date is now updated. However, if you decide to move it again, you can follow the same steps. Click on the now updated date, and when the calendar appears, select another date, perhaps October 18th, and the new due date will be set accordingly. Remember, the ability to adjust due dates on Monday.com is not just about changing numbers, it's a valuable tool for prioritizing tasks, managing time more efficiently, and ensuring that you and your team stay aligned with the project timeline. Whenever you change a date, consider the impact it might have on your overall workflow. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to change due dates on Monday.com. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining flexibility and adaptability in both professional and personal project management. Now, you can go on and adjust those dates with confidence, keeping your schedule right on track. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found the step-by-step guide helpful. Remember, being able to effectively manage your time and deadlines is essential to productivity. If you have any more questions or need further clarification on other features within Monday.com, don't hesitate to reach out or check out other resources available. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.